A former Nebraska congressman convicted in court is once again an innocent man. His federal convictions were overturned today. Bill Shammert's on the live desk.
Julie, Republican Jeff Fortenberry was elected to 9 terms in Nebraska's 1st District, which covers a portion of the Omaha Metro. He resigned in the spring of 2022 after being convicted in California of lying to the FBI. Today, an appeals court reversed that decision, saying the case was tried in the wrong venue. His trial took place nearly 2 years ago in California. It revolved around an illegal $30,000 foreign campaign contribution. An LA jury convicted Fortenberry of lying to the FBI about that contribution at interviews in Lincoln and D.C. That was the biggest part of his team's appeal, and the court agreed, quote, Fortenberry's trial took place in a state where no charged crime was committed and before a jury drawn from the vicinage of the federal agencies that investigated the defendant. The Constitution does not permit this. In a statement, Fortenberry said, "We are gratified by the Ninth Circuit Court's decision. Celeste and I would like to thank everyone who have stood by us and supported us with their kindness and friendship." This is what Fortenberry said from a truck in October 2021, just after learning about the indictment.
About 5.5 years ago, a person from overseas illegally moved money to my campaign. We're stunned. I feel so personally betrayed. We thought we were trying to help.
Prosecutors could retry the case in Nebraska or D.C. They said they're evaluating the next steps before deciding on how to move forward. Part of Fortenberry's conviction was 320 hours of community service and a $25,000 fine. We asked his attorneys if they plan to file any sort of countersuit. That question was not answered. Julie, back to you.
Okay, thanks, Bill.